Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and I'm in the veggie patch today. And it's warm weather now. It's actually hot, so it's time to plant hot weather vegetables such as okra and cucumber. So now, okra is really interesting. It's that vegetable that you either like or you don't. Some people think of the slimy, hard vegetable. Others from like Louisiana and the Cajun dishes, you just think of that wonderful flavor and thickener, or fried okra. It's in many dishes. It's out of the cotton seed, or it's related to the cotton plant. And that's probably where it gets the hard shell. Now, if you plant okra and you want to be successful, you feed it tons of nitrogen. Like you could put in manure, really. We're going to use leaf compost. Now, the camera's going to have to go on the other side so you can see. Can you see where with the hops and Huggy Bear? To get all that nitrogen that it needs, I am dumping leaf compost, and I'm going to fertilize this every few weeks with a basically high nitrogen plant food. So just work it in really well. Well, there's a lot of worms in here, which is great. And okra, it's kind of like the three sisters with the corn and the beans and the squash. They kind of help each other. Wow. The hops grows pretty much straight up. It could hook onto the strong okra plant if it wanted to. Okay, now in front of this, I could put an eggplant, or I could put something like a marigold as a companion planting if I wanted to. But right now I'm going to leave it. All right, let me put the other one. Oh, one thing about this before I plant the last one. The okra is also related to the hibiscus plant. And everybody knows of the wonderful flowers, which the okra plant does not have the wonderful flowers. But hibiscus is also used for teas. I wonder if we could make a tea out of the flowers. I'm going to research that. All right, I read from a university that cucurbits, the cucumber and like squash plants, they have a root that goes 2 to 3 foot. That's why it wasn't advised to do container plantings, which I do all the time with cucumber. But if you really want to get a strong plant, they said to actually break the soil as far as you can and work a lot of compost in it. Now, let's put that in, and I think camera woman. Okay, so I put a bunch in here, and I'm just loosening this. All right, let me get one more. All right, those are in, but now let's talk about, these are heavy feeders, any of the cucurbits, like the watermelon, pumpkin, and stuff. It likes a moderate nitrogen, but it really wants that potassium. And also, I'm adding just a little bit of, and I'm doing organic, high potassium, and also phosphorus. Now, I also have some mushroom compost. Anything that has a round fruit, like the tomato, any of the nightshades, or this, they need the calcium. So I am just sprinkling on top some of the mushroom compost. But this is really easy. Cucumber is just one of the old-time favorites that kids love to pick on the vine, or try to make their own pickles and stuff. But I have to go in now to research the hibiscus flower to see if I can make tea out of the okra family. But the next one we're going to plant, which is also a hot weathered one, is the bitter melon. One of my friends gave me some seeds, so I said I would grow it for them. And So I'll see you there. Please subscribe and thumbs up. It's so important for a growing channel. Have a great day.